professional designer, an architect, and a creator. I love designing my own fabrics and then watching them come to life in all my sewing projects. I love to teach everything I know so we can all learn and get inspired by each other. Join me today in the Sewing for Beginners class where we'll be sewing these amazing zipper pouches. We will start by learning all the basics on how to sew a standard zipper pouch. I will explain in detail how to attach the zipper, including the pull tabs and the tab, so we have a perfect finish for our pouch. I also uploaded all the different free patterns, so it's easy for you. You can just only print them and use this as a template. We will start by cutting all the different panels that we need to create our zipper pouch. So we're gonna start by cutting the outside panels, the inside, that is the lining fabric we're going to be using, and the tabs for our zipper. Then we will prepare the zipper with the matching tabs for a nice finish. I will explain why using the right interfacing for your pouch is important. We will sew together the lining, the zipper, and the outer panel that's going to be the front of our zipper pouch. Then we'll top stitch the front of our zipper pouch for a nice finish. Once we have that panel ready, it's kind of like we're going to do the same, this time also starting with the lining. Now when we add the zipper, is everything that we have attached already, and then the other front of our zipper pouch. Once we have installed our zipper, we will sew the sides together to close and finish our zipper pouch. You're going to love making all your zipper pouches, so after you learn all the basics, you'll want to keep making many more. That's why I decided to make different shapes and different designs like the ones I'm showing you right here. So you can mix and match different fabrics, and then you can use it for like a pencil pouch or for makeup, different things like that, and they make also a great gift. That's why I decided to make different options and also included them in this class. So after you learn how to do your standard one, the super practical as well, you also will have the different patterns to create these other designs and shapes. I mentioned before that I love designing my own fabrics, but I also own my own business in a stamp and scrapbook company called Motion Crafts. My products have been featured in different major craft stores throughout the US, and I've been in different shopping networks like HSN and Create and Craft in England. So it's been a very creative and fun journey. I'm also a spoonflower designer, and one of my designs got selected to be in the upcoming spoonflower packaging, so that's very exciting. I love being part of a creative community. That's why Skillshare and Spoonflower are such great platforms to learn and connect. For this class, I collaborated with two of my favorite designers from Spoonflower, Heather Dutton from Hang Tight and Selma Cardoso, who have such beautiful prints and creative approach. So I chose very beautiful fabrics and combinations that I'm going to be sharing with you in this class in the different pouches and projects. If you like this class, make sure to check out my other course here in Skillshare, How to Sew a Zipper Tote Bag. They go so great together and they're so much fun to make. I'm very excited for this class, so let's get started!